Hey, that's pretty good.
What's up guys, Sal here. So if you've been keeping up with the Pixel 3 news, then you must have heard about Google approaching YouTubers requesting to use certain clips who have been bashing the design of the Pixel 3 XL. John Prosser from Front Page Tech in particular is in the news lately, who has been on a rampage against Google for being lazy with the design, and I guess he's the one who started speculating notchless Pixel Ultra in the first place. And now I see people everywhere, mostly Pixel fans, believe this theory that Google is fooling us all, and they'll come out at the October 9th launch event and say,
Ha! Got him! Got him!
But trust me, that's not gonna happen. I have a good feeling that these folks who believe the notchless Pixel 3 XL theory are gonna be very disappointed next month. People can have their fun and laugh if I'm wrong, but people are setting themselves up for disappointment if they think this is all a joke and won't have a notch. It would take way too effort to go through with this. Not only do you have to believe they went through the trouble of manufacturing fake devices, you have to believe that they've been able to keep it as one of the best kept secrets. If this was a joke, there would be leaks of the real phone. There's no way it is that well hidden. So you might ask why they want to use those YouTube videos then. Pretty sure they're gonna use the clips to poke fun at themselves and how thoroughly the Pixel 3 XL leaked. They might even just use the montage to demonstrate that there are two camps of people, those who want to reclaim every bit of real estate they can and those who prefer a full-width bezel. Then they can introduce the XL for the former and the regular Pixel 3 for the latter. They could even throw in a slight jab at Apple about how Google realizes everyone is different with different tastes, and that they aren't simply giving consumers the exact same fruit in different sizes. That being said, I think this whole Pixel Ultra theory is doing more damage and is somehow maximizing an exponential disappointment. It seems Google leaked the Pixel 3 XL so people could get used to the idea of the notch, so when they announce it, there won't be a huge shock. But now people are getting their hopes up that it was all hoax and there's no notch. If there is a notch, Pixel users will have gone through multiple rounds of having their hopes dashed, and that might affect their Pixel 3 purchasing decision. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this in the comments down below, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.